Today, we will know how we can add pages to our JoonWeb website. First of all, we will log into our account in JoonWeb.com. Now, after coming to the dashboard, we will click on Edit Site. Now, after coming to the site editor, we will click on the Pages option. All the pages of our website are visible here. Now, we will click on the Add New Page option to add a new page. Now here, we will get some preset pages which we can customize and use, or if you want to create a page yourselves, then for that you can create the page by clicking on Add Blank Page. Let us see how this will happen by adding some of these presets pages. Like we add a contact page. Now we will get many designs here. Let's take one of these. As soon as we select the page, a new page is created. Now we can edit it as per our choice. For that, you have to click on the Edit option. Now, by clicking, you can customize this section data as per your requirement. After your customization, you have to update all your work. After this, you can see how your page is made by clicking on the Preview option.